Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I just discuss about scaffold widget. So for that, here, last I developed this application, and now I just use scaffold widget for this application. For that, just okay, in home, use a parameter scaffold. Here is the scaffold widget, and here you can use app bar. And here in app bar I just write a text for that title, and in this title pass text and pass a parameter or data. So for this my application, okay, after that I just write body, because this app bar is main bar and full of under body, like that in this full of body. Okay, so for that body, and then copy this code till here, okay, and cut it, then paste it here. Okay, now here is double semicolon for that, and after run this application. Here you notice the sense of this application. Okay, and it's processing on installing. And gradual tasks, and here is the application. Here I set a app bar like that, and that's the app bar. Okay, that's the app bar, my application. Here is the my application, and then colors deep purple. So here I just change this color and this color. For that, just here change dot and choose a color like that. Okay, and then the text color. For this, the text color dot like brown. Okay, and font size is I like 40. Okay, then run this app again. And the processing is installing. After some minutes, not some minute, after some second, it will be installed. Okay, and you notice the sense of this application. Okay, so here is processing, and the app is okay, and here is the apps. Okay, just I change color and font size. So that's the scaffold widget, which is too much important for Flutter application, and it's the mainly widget dependencies of this application. Okay, so thank you everyone, see you in next tutorial.